Hello guys, today I will show you how to remove the door panel from this BMW F31. In order to remove the door panel, we have to remove this plastic cap right here. Underneath right here you have a small hole. You put your plastic removal tool right here and push it out. Underneath we have two screws, T30 Torx, and after that we have just to remove the clips with plastic removal tool. Let's start. Now in order to remove the door panel, we have to put our plastic removal tool right here underneath the door panel, because here in the downside is the mass pressure and we have to remove it. Exactly like this.